Hello dear friends, we are Kaya and Christian Miller, and we would like to invite you to join us in our dream retreat in the Himalayas in October 2018 in India. We will visit all together Ladakh, one of the most serene and scenic places in the Himalayas.
Imagine, friends, we will meditate together on top of the mountains in a very high altitude, and it will help to elevate our conscience, our frequencies, and you know what? It might trigger dreams in connection with certain memories, and it will be such a joy for us to share, and we can interpret your dreams and signs all together.
And our friends Santosh and Arita will join us also during this retreat, so we will have people from many countries. So go on the website of ucm.ca and to find more about this amazing retreat. See you very soon, friends, on the top of the mountains of the world.